Hey, I'm Kieran with PJB, and we're here to talk to you about the new bylaws regarding the EPRs, or the electrical planning reports, that are now mandated for some of the strata units. So the cool thing about these EPR reports that stratas are now mandated to do is it kind of provides properties the information to guide what their next electrical upgrade is, whether it be EV charging or heat pumps, which is a new thing in Vancouver because of the hot summers we've been having. It gives a more informed decision for the strata in what they're able to do and what they have the electrical capacity for. What's really cool about them too is that they're completely non-invasive. It takes a couple hours. We don't really need to go into any units or anything like that. We take an electrical drawing and we give you guys our recommendations on things you can save in terms of electricity. And also what is allowed with your current electrical system. A lot of these strata units have kind of outdated lighting and stuff like that. We're able to give you a plan to cut back on some of your electrical costs to kind of make it easier for you to do these upgrades. A big part of these EPRs is to kind of give the strata a clear path to like what they can cut back on. As of December 31st, 2026, all stratas are required to submit an EPR. So now would be a kind of a good time to, one, get that EPR. If you have any other questions or if you want to schedule an EPR, you can go to pjbmechanical.com.